All right, we have some breaking news now coming in. We are learning film producers are expected to meet the Chief Minister of Telangana tomorrow. This will be the first meeting of the film producers with the Chief Minister since this escalation over Allu Arjun's case. Well, what we are learning at the moment is that Pushpa 2 producer is expected to meet the Chief Minister tomorrow. My colleague Tanushka is joining us on the broadcast here. Tanushka, this is going to be first such meeting between the film's producer as well as the Chief Minister ever since this matter came to light.
Right, exactly, Kitty. This matter that broke out, of course, on the December 4th, it's been 21 days since, and it has escalated. And today at KIMS Hospital, wherein the 8-year-old who is undergoing treatment right now, for him, Allu Aravind, who is Allu Arjun's father, as well as Dil Raju, a prominent face and name in the Indian film industry, in the producer's circle as well, were present there. And this is where Dil Raju announced that they would be meeting, the producers would be meeting the Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy, tomorrow for a discussion regarding this entire incident. He did not further reveal as to what would be the exact agenda of this meeting, but of course we know that it is to further discuss about the entire issue after the stampede at the Sandhya theatres during the film promotion of Pushpa 2, which is Allu Arjun's movie. And a lot has happened in this case ever since, and today even Allu Aravind and Dil Raju were present at the hospital to announce a 2 crore rupees trust fund in the name of this 8-year-old boy, so as to extend their support for this boy, as well as because he's also lost his mother in this stampede. And of course we're looking forward to this meeting tomorrow between the producers and the Chief Minister.
All right, what can you tell us about the condition of the child here? He is still hospitalized, but what we are learning so far is that his condition is stable.
His condition is better, is stable, his vitals are stable, he is no longer on ventilation or oxygen support, which means that he's performing and his treatment is undergoing well. He's not taking any aid with respect to oxygen for his breathing, but the hospital authorities still maintain, and they also say that he's not, he's only responding on oral command. He's not responding by his own sensory system, which also means that he's unable to still recognize his own family members. So definitely still in a sensitive position this 8-year-old boy is in, but his treatment has shown somewhat of a better condition.
Okay, so you're right outside the hospital there. Anybody who's come to meet the family so far in the last few days?
Well, his family members, his father is definitely with him throughout at the hospital, and some of his relatives are also there, but they're obviously like with the 8-year-old boy in the hospital cabin, looking after his condition at this point, as it is very sensitive. We're yet to hear from the parents, rather from the father of this 8-year-old boy who's also lost his mother in this stampede.
Also about this meeting, Tanushka, we do understand earlier, what information that came to us was that the Chief Minister is also looking at de-escalating the situation now after all this tension broke out. And Allu Arjun, of course, was arrested, then he was released. But yes, there was a lot of war of words also that happened. But the information that came out later was that the Chief Minister also wants to de-escalate the situation. Do you think this meeting that's going to take place between the film's producers and the Chief Minister tomorrow is aimed at that, to bridge the gap between the film industry and the authorities?
Well, that could be, that might as well be a possibility, Kitty, because at this point, even the Chief Minister, after the attacks at Allu Arjun's residence by the OUJAC, Osmania University Joint Action Committee, people vandalized outside of Allu Arjun's residence. The Chief Minister did come out condemning the act and the incident, and he said that he sent a message to the Director General of Police, to the State Police Commissioner as well, telling them them that there needs to be a certain kind of a strict law and order situation maintenance at this point. So there is an attempt to de-escalate the situation, definitely. Even Alu Arvind has come out saying that they are maintaining restraint and they are they're restraining themselves from reacting in the media at this point.
Right.
So there is definitely an effort that is going on even from the legal team of Allu Arjun at this point, because the matter is still in the court. So
Yes.
de-escalation is something that all the parties are looking forward to, because it has been quite a few days since this incident has happened and they all are looking forward to a conclusive solution at this point.